We're here to share this excellent news about our brand new product that we're launching. Is a true surface mount circulator. The main key features of this circulator is it was designed for X-band, centered at 9 gigahertz, 10% bandwidth. It has low loss, less than half a dB insertion loss. It meets better than 20 dB return loss for input and output, and it meets better than 20 dB isolation. The motivation for designing this surface mount circulator was to replace microstrip and drop-in circulators because it greatly reduces the cost associated with custom mounting configurations. You don't have to cut holes in the PWB or CCA to drop this component, and you don't need to do any ribbon bonds or any soldering of tabs to connect to this component. It was simulated and designed to match the junction and the transition to a specific CCA footprint. So when you mount this component into the next level CCA, you would expect no performance degradation, and also very repeatability from one component to the next. So in our roadmap, we have plans to develop this same type of component, surface mount circulator, in different frequency bands. So we're thinking about S-band all the way up to K-band.